to everyone, my name is Dennis and welcome to the first fret lessons. Today I'll show you how to play this lick. It is really inspired by Johnny Winter, and all kind of blues and blues rock guitarists play this sort of licks, and today you'll learn how they do it. If you like it, subscribe to our channel and okay, let's go. You can play it in major blues and you could play it in minor blues too, because we use minor pentatonic. And here is our first box of minor pentatonic in key of E minor. The most of you guys know this lick, I'm sure. We start with our B string and we do hammer on here. 5th fret and 8th fret. And then we play 5th fret on E string. And then we play pull off 8th to 5th. You should mute your 3rd string with your end of your index finger. Make sure that you do it and try to do it slowly and then play it faster and faster. Then you play this note and you play this 8th fret and we play fast hammer on, and then we play pull off to 5th fret. And when we play our 8th fret, B string and 5th fret again, and about our pick, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. And now you should play your full band from 8th fret to 10th fret. And if you're able to do it, just try to do vibrato. And then you play on your high string, try to mute your B string with your index finger too. Okay. Then this is second part of our lick. 8th fret, 5th fret. Then you bend your G string, and this is full bend too. Then you play your quick hammer on. Then you play this note, and then you play your root note twice. And at the end we play this note with micro bend. And about accents, this is our first accent, this is our second accent, and this is important, of course. And try to play other note more relaxed. So, and from the top, slowly. So I hope you found it useful, and if it's true, leave a comment. I'll read it and I'll be less miserable. So see you guys, goodbye.